Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. Yes, I survived my birthday weekend. My birthday was on Friday the 13th. I know. I should have been named Jason Voorhees or something like that. But it was a great weekend. So I'm just doing a little recap and kind of moving forward in my life. It's another year, another beautiful, blessed year. A lot of people don't have that blessing of another year. There's been some death the last couple of weeks in my life and my chosen family's life, and so it's been a bit of a struggle a little bit, I have to tell you. So anyway, I just got off of a Zoom presentation. I'm going to be doing a global presentation for a podcast out of Ireland, with Joe Walsh. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, so Friday I met with friends, Scott, Jody, and my friend Rob downtown. Cute little Italian place. I forgot the name of it already. And a little light bites and wine, and we went and saw the musical The Outsiders. I'm grateful to my bestie for getting those tickets. It was a great presentation. The choreography, I actually had said that I thought the set piece was almost like another character in a way. So kind of remind me of like taking the two gangs out of West Side Story and making a musical about them. So enjoyable evening. Saturday was very enjoyable. Hung out with Scott and Jody. Went to Italy, a little wine, ended up with sushi. We were tired afterwards. We were boring people at 7:30 at night, but it was packed downtown Chicago. So they went back to their hotel. I went home, very happy about that. Did brunch on Saturday with my friend Ira. Went out for a martini at Will's Martini Lounge and saw some friends I haven't seen in a while. So overall, it was really good. Nothing too crazy. So some beautiful gifts, and I should have brought this, but Scott and Jody gave me this round kind of I don't know what you want to call it, butcher block looking thing that you can put your wine in, wine glasses and snacks. It's on a stand. On my coffee table, so maybe on the next post on Thursday I'll show it to you. And it has my name Baird on it, my last name. And then my cousin, through my first partner James, who passed in 1998, Dawn, thank you, I know you're watching this, sent me, she makes these tumblers, and it has pictures of James on here. Look at this. I took this when we were in Connecticut together. In Falls Village, and that's this crazy picture of and him at camp, him and his tux for something, I don't know what it was, but beautiful. She makes these tumblers, and also a coffee mug that she made with James and I on it, and some coasters that go in my car that's already in my car. So that was such a thoughtful gift, and I had about 500 maybe plus messages. I know everybody goes, wow. But I've had a long career of working with summer camps and with youth and college students and friendships and things. So it's totally blessed. Some wonderful messages from people, and a lot of I love yous and appreciate you in my life this long time. And there's miracles that happen in your life that you need to be grateful for, and that for me is. So all the people that like you that are watching and those that I've inspired, and they've inspired me. So it was awesome. I still had messages this morning, and I tried to like or send a little message to all of them because I appreciate everybody that took the time. So that was my weekend. Looking ahead for my career, I know the title of this said looking forward to my next year. There's going to be some changes. I don't know what that's going to be yet. I have been in this apartment in Chicago since 2004, honey. Time for a change. So is that going to be in Palm Springs, California? Don't know. Is that going to be in Florida? Don't know. Is that going to be in Michigan? I really don't know. This winter it was a little brutal, although today it's 62 degrees out. That's the t-shirt I got on. So anyway, a lot of changes, a lot of decision making I have to do, and it's a good year to do that. So moving forward. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate that. Thanks for checking in. Have a beautiful Monday. Have a great week ahead. Be thankful, be grateful, be hopeful. Rise up. Let's make this world a whole lot better. We can do that with only you and everybody else that we influence. With that said, I'll see you on Thursday. Take care. Bye, everybody.